Hello friends, we will discuss the chapter of centroid. First of all, the difference between centroid and center of gravity. For centroid, it is used to determine the entire area of plane figure. The centroid, it is used to determine the entire area of plane figure such as line, triangle, rectangle, square, etc. And center of gravity, it is used to determine volume of solid bodies such as pyramid, cone, prism, cylinder, etc. So difference between centroidal axis and reference axis. The axis passing through the centroid of the body is known as centroidal axis, and the axis from which the distance of centroid is known as reference axis. The axis passing through the centroid of the body. See this diagram. The axis which are passing through the centroid of the body is known as centroidal axis. Means CGX is the centroidal axis and CGY is the centroidal axis. CGX is the horizontal centroidal axis and CGY is the vertical centroidal axis. The axis which are passing through the center of gravity or centroid of the body is known as centroidal axis, and the axis from which the distance of centroid means this distance of centroid is known as reference axis. Means reference axis is the OX and OY. OX and OY is the reference axis. OX and OY is the reference axis. CGX and CGY is the centroidal axis. In above figure, point G is the centroid of the body. X bar is the x coordinate of centroid. X bar is the x coordinate of centroid and y bar is the y coordinate of centroid. Please listen carefully. X bar means the distance of centroid, the distance of CGY from the reference axis of y, means y axis base is known as x bar, and y bar means the distance of centroid from the x axis base of x axis is the y bar. In shortly, the distance between center of gravity from the x axis base is the y bar, and distance between the center of gravity from y axis base means x bar. This is the very important centroid, y bar and x bar. Distance between center of gravity from y axis base means x bar, and distance between center of gravity from x axis base means y bar. So we will discuss the centroids of some common plane figures. First figure is the rectangle. Centroids of some common plane figures. Rectangle of size b into d. This is the rectangle with reference axis y and x with center of gravity g, x bar. Total is the b, horizontal depth and vertical depth. So x bar, what is the area of rectangle? A is equal to b into d, and centroid of Centroid means g of x comma y with respect to x and y axis. X bar is equal to b by 2 and y bar is equal to d by 2. X bar means the distance between center of gravity from the base of y axis, means x bar is equal to b by 2 and y bar is equal to d by 2, means g and x axis base. Distance between g from the x axis base, y bar is equal to d by 2. So next is the square, second plane figure, square of side A. This is the square diagram of side A with reference axis y and x and center of gravity g. So what is the area of square? A is equal to small a square, means side square. X bar is equal to a by 2 and y bar is equal to a by 2. X bar is equal to a by 2 and y bar is equal to a by 2. Then third is the right angle triangle with base B and height h. Base B and height h with reference axis y and x and center of gravity g. What is the area of right angle triangle? A is equal to half into b into h, and centroid of right angle triangle x bar is equal to b by 3 and y bar is equal to h by 3. Next common plane figure is triangle. Triangle with base B and height h. Triangle base B and height h with reference axis y and x and center of gravity. So area of triangle half into b into h. X bar is equal to b by 2. This is the normal triangle. X bar is equal to b by 2 and y bar is equal to h by 3. Then next is the circle of radius r. Circle of radius r. Area of circle pi r square. X bar is equal to r and y bar is equal to r. X bar r, y bar r. Then next is the semicircle. Semicircle of radius r with reference axis x and y. Y bar is equal to distance between g from the x axis base, y bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi, and distance between g from y axis base means x bar is equal to r. Area of semicircle pi r square by 2. X bar is equal to r and y bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi. Next common plane figure is semicircle. This semicircle, this is the area of semicircle, and x bar r and y bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi. So next semicircle of radius r. Area of this semicircle is, this is the base of semicircle and this is the curve. Okay, this is the y bar. Distance between g of from the distance between g and y axis base is the x bar, and distance between g and x axis base is the y bar. So area of semicircle is pi r square by 2 and x bar is equal to, see the x bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi, means this distance is the 4r by 3 pi and this distance is the r. So y bar is here, y bar is equal to r and x bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi. Okay, Then next semicircle of radius r. This is the base of semicircle. Distance between base of semicircle to G point is the 4r by 3 pi. Distance between G point to y axis base means x bar. So how to calculate the distance between G to y axis? G to y axis base means x bar. How to calculate x bar? This distance is 4r by 3 pi. This distance is r, means y bar is equal to r. So how to calculate x bar? Total is the r. This distance G to base 4r by 3 pi. So x bar is equal to r minus 4r by 3 pi. X bar is equal to r minus 4r by 3 pi. Means this portion is minus. Then we get this portion. So area of semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2 and x bar is equal to r minus 4r by 3 pi and pi bar is equal to r. So next is the next semicircle of radius r. This is the downward semicircle. Base, this is the base of semicircle and G point. What is the distance between G point to base? 4r by 3 pi. Okay, total is the r. So calculate x bar and y bar. What is mean by x bar? Center of gravity, distance between center of gravity from base of y-axis means x bar. Distance of center of gravity from the x-axis base means y bar. Okay, so x bar is equal to r, means this distance is r, and y bar is equal to G point to base is the distance 4r by 3 pi. Total distance r. So how to calculate y bar? Y bar is equal to r minus 4r by 3 pi. Then we get this portion. Okay, this is the y bar. Y bar is equal to 4r minus 4r by 3 pi. Area of semicircle pi r square by 2 and x bar is equal to r, y bar is equal to r minus 4r by 3 pi. Then next is the quarter circle of radius r. Quarter circle of radius r. X bar and y bar is same value. Y bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi. X bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi. And total is the r. Area of quarter circle is equal to pi r square by 4. And x bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi. Y bar is equal to 4r by 3 pi. Thank you.